Hi everyone. Most people have no idea what happens when a sales tax audit is generated. So let me walk you through. Simple. First, the tax authority lets you know they're going to audit you. Yeah, you're going to get that letter. That wonderful letter saying, yes, you are going to be audited for sales and use tax compliance. And our auditor will be contacting you. And they do. They contact you. And part of that is an audit questionnaire where they ask all sorts of questions about your business. Like what it is are you doing? Do you have out-of-state sales? Where is your inventory? Do you have out-of-state employees? Where are your records located? They are all up in your grill, okay? And just note that they know the answers to some of these questions already, but they want it from you again, and they're going to compare the answers that you give them to the answers that they already know. So don't be sneaky. After you get the questionnaire, after you fill that out, then the auditor normally contacts you, and then they schedule an entrance conference. There they ask all the questions and that they didn't ask on the questionnaire. They're more specific. They also, based on your answers, and this is just in general, they will send a request about all of the records that they want to see, and they will let you know the period of time that they want to audit. Typically, that is 3 to 4 years, okay? That's if there's no finding of fraud. And usually, in the beginning, they haven't found fraud because they haven't looked in your records yet, okay? So make sure you keep your records for 3 to 4 years, depending on the jurisdiction. And by records, I mean your accounting records. They're going to want to see your general ledger. They're going to want to see sales invoices, purchase invoices, fixed asset ledger, your federal income tax returns, because yeah, they go there too, okay? They're going to want to see any certificates you may have on file, like exemption or resale or direct pay exemption certificates, just pretty much everything. But I say everything, and they are very specific about the list because they want contracts too. They're specific about the records that they are requesting. And we always say, just give them the records they requested, okay? Don't say, here, you can have all this information. They're the file cabinet. No, we don't do that. No. You give them exactly what they ask for. Don't say, I'll set up a portal for you and you can click all in my records. Don't do that. No, don't do that. Have one contact for them and provide them with the records that they specifically asked for. The other thing is they will start their field work. They will start reviewing the records and they'll have questions, assign one person to answer those questions and make sure that person knows if they don't know the answer, don't make something up, and be responsive to the auditor because they have a job to do, just like you have a job to do. Be responsive, be honest, because lies, we don't like lies. We don't like them. And periodically ask, do you have any questions? Are you seeing any issues? Is there anything that you need me to clear up? Because you don't want to be surprised at the end to find out that they had a completely wrong idea in their head, because sometimes it'll stick. You want to address it at point A instead of point M if they have a problem. And just note, once they complete their field work, they turn in the audit goes through processing, you get a lovely bill, and if you agree, you pay it. You might not like it, but you pay it. If you don't agree, note that that auditor does not have the final say as relates to that deficiency. Each state has its own procedures about if you do not agree with the sales and use tax audit results. You just have to make sure that you follow the procedures that are in place in order to address it. Sometimes that means, and it depends on the jurisdiction, because I mean, it's sales tax. Everything depends on the jurisdiction. But it's pretty clear that each one has mechanisms in place in case you don't agree with the audit results. You just have to make sure that you use those mechanisms to address it appropriately. Now, if all of that made your head spin a little bit, please comment Hive because below, send us a comment because we can help you. We can help you address it before you get that notification or before your client gets that notification. We can help you be proactive and know what it is to do because we know it can do your head in. So send the comment Hive to us and we will get you set up. Thanks everyone. Bye.